What's up? It's your girl Simone Sharice. Today in this video, I'm pretty much going to show you guys how to make your lace frontal wig look super natural with no baby hairs with gel. Before we get started, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and don't forget to thumbs up and like this video for more awesome tutorials. I'm going to be using Gotta Be Glued. There's no glue in the product. It's literally gel. Comes off with water, turns into slime. A lot of the times, the main two steps you're going to need is to bleach your knots and to customize your frontal. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so the first step, the first step to making your hair look super natural is you want to go ahead and put the wig on. Now, I want to clarify to you guys, I already tweezed and plucked the hairline. Step one, you want to put the wig on. You can see it's a little bit loose for me because I have not tightened my wig. Next, what I'm going to do is for step two, you want to slide the wig back a little bit because you do not want the gel to really get in the hair. All right, so now we're going to go in with our Gotta Be Glued, the black tube, and call it a day. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take some of my finger, just kind of slide it down my hairline. And this you can put on your hairline because it's not glue, guys. Another tip is do not put too much, because if you put too much Gotta Be Glued, it tends to flake, even if it is the clear bottle, the clear tube. What I like to do is I like to go ahead and pull it on my head. We'll pull it up to my hairline, and then I like to just kind of hold it. And then just pull it a little bit and hold that down. Then with the rat tail comb, you can just, I like to hold the lace and pull the hair back. All right, so lace, pull. Well, not pull, but let's say we're combing it back. All right, now I'm gonna use a tube sock, and I'm just gonna tie this down because I don't really know what my headscarf is right now. Okay, well now I'm gonna go ahead and take off my headscarf. Well, sock in our case. I'm gonna take off my sock, and I had this on for a total of 20 minutes. You don't really need it to be on that long. You just want it to dry and settle in. So this is the end result, and I'm literally just combing it back just to make sure everything is all dried, especially by my ears, because those are the hardest parts to really keep down. So I just wanted to part it just to get a glimpse of how things will look, and I already flat ironed it off camera, but I'm gonna go ahead and use my hot comb to just pretty much flatten out my hair even more and just make it look 10 times more natural. So my favorite tools for making my hair natural is really a hot comb and a flat iron. You guys all know that if you watched my previous videos. But yeah, this is practically my end result right now, and I feel good. This is the end result of how your frontal should look when it's natural with no baby hairs. So this is how it looks. I literally have no baby hairs, none. I have literally just it being flat down. If you want to take a look at the side, this is how the side looks. There's no baby hair as well, okay? So this is how I pretty much get my hair to look nice and natural with no baby hairs. Now this is probably going to be the last video I do where I do no baby hairs because I miss them, to be honest. So I'm probably going to go ahead and add my baby hairs back because I've been doing it for you guys, but I gotta keep it real. I don't really like my hair like this, to be honest. I mean, I do to a certain extent, but with other hairstyles, you just need it sometimes. It just looks better. So I already plucked it off camera. I already bleached the knots off camera because I have several videos showing you guys how I bleach my knots, and I have several videos showing you guys how I tweeze the frontal. Yeah, so anyways, in this video, I am wearing Diamond Virgin hair, and I have 4 bundles in my head along with a 13x6 frontal. The 13 in that equation is from ear to ear. We're gonna go ahead and cut over the ear up to your liking, whatever your hairline measures out to. The 6 inches in that equation is from the front all the way to the back. So right now I can part my hair all the way to the middle of my head. So it's kind of like, that's kind of why you don't need as much hair. So I had to really go ahead and double my wefts when I was making this wig, but you don't have to double your wefts if you don't want to. But I really love the hair. I think it's like, it's really soft. Really soft, sleek. You can put your fingers through it. I think this is their MINK Brazilian hair. So I honestly absolutely love it. So alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys learned a thing or two. If you have any questions, please let me know down below and we can go ahead and answer them. I have all the specs to the hair and everything down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.